In this video, I will be showing you how to enable Instagram blurry filter. Blurry filters has becoming popular nowadays, but we cannot do this kind of filter on Instagram alone. We need a third-party application to do that, not just for blurry filters, but for other filters too. So in order to do that, you have to go to your Google Play Store and type this third-party application called PixArt. Once you see this application, all you have to do is to click install. Then go to your gallery and select a picture. For example, this is the picture that you want to edit. This application is good for the beginners too because you can just easily use this one and the options are very clear here. So let's start. So you can see the effects and the options below the picture. All you have to do is to swipe to see more of its effects or filters. So once you find the right filter for you, all you have to do is to click that. So after you choose the B and W, you have to proceed with the next one, which is to adjust its effect. So you have to click adjust icon. So for example, this one, I have to click this and then you are free to adjust everything here until you get the result that you like or until you get satisfied with the result. So after adjusting the effect, you can click check. And this time you can go back and look for the text icon so that you can start to write any captions on your picture. So you should have to slide to the right and look for this text. Now just type anything here. For example, I'm going to type awesomeness. And then in order for me to edit this, just tap this one for the best font or for what font you like to use. Tap this one. Also, if you want to change the color, you can tap this color here and then change the color of your words or your caption. And then after that, kindly click stroke and look for other colors. For example, I have to combine color yellow and black so that the picture would be much enticing or captivating. So you just have to drag up and down to look for the best result. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click check. So this is an example and then tap check. After that, go back and look for the blur effect. So you just have to swipe and look for effects and look for blur, which is this one. You can also adjust this to get the best result that you want or until you get satisfied. So you have to tap for the settings, okay, tap this one and then adjust. As easy as that. Once done, you can click this arrow and you can share this to any of your social media platforms or you can save it to your gallery. So this is how to enable Instagram blur filter. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.